Are you struggling on leveling up on Monopoly Go? Do you want to level up fast on the platform and spend no money at all? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips from a level 300 Monopoly Go player to level up fast. The first step that I have for you is to sign in daily to your Monopoly Go account. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to get freebies such as dices, stickers, and money once you sign in to your Monopoly Go account. Daily sign in will also keep you updated of your board report. The second tip that I have for you is to complete your daily tasks. So you'll be able to find your daily tasks under the quick wins section. Completing your daily tasks daily will give you more freebies on the platform such as dices, money, and stickers, which will allow you to level up fast on the platform. The third thing that you should always have are shields. You should always collect shields. This shield will defend your buildings on Monopoly Go when someone tries to attack your buildings. So once your building is attacked on Monopoly Go, you'll need to fix the building, which will cost a lot of money for you and which will slow down your progress on the platform. The fourth tip that I have for you is build while you have money on Monopoly Go. Use your current money on the platform to build and upgrade your things, since once you have all of this updated, you'll be able to level up on Monopoly Go. And the last tip that I have for you is to complete your albums on Monopoly Go, since completing your albums will allow you to have more dices, and which will give you the chance to get this reward along with the 15,000 dices. So for each of these albums, under the albums, you'll be able to get a corresponding reward such as a dice reward and monetary amount reward for completing each of this album, and this will give you the chance to play more on Monopoly Go along with having more chance to upgrade your buildings on the platform. Collecting duplicate stickers will also give you rewards such as sticker packs and dices, which will allow you to play more on the platform. And now that's all of the tips that a level 300 player have for you to be able to level up fast on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.